Welcome to Wissen-hub channel. We are an interactive e-learning platform with the mission of making tutorials and how-to videos accessible to everyone. Subscribe to us to get more content. Please suggest any tutorials you need in the comments and we'll be happy to post a video on it. This tutorial will show you how to automatically create contacts via accounts module without any relation with leads module. For example, if we create a new account in Zoho CRM, the option to link a contact is missing. This trick will let you link contacts to accounts directly. So let's get started. Firstly, log into your Zoho CRM account. Then click on Settings. In the Customization tab, click on Modules and Fields. Then choose Accounts. Click on Layouts. Then choose Edit Layouts as shown. Now drag and drop new section as shown. And type in as contact information. Then drag and drop mandatory fields as you require. For now, we will create these. Once you're done with creating the fields, click on Save. Go back to Settings. In the Developer Space tab, choose Functions. Click on New Function. The display name and function name can be set according to your requirements, but for now, let's put it as Link Account to Contact. And choose the category as Automation. Then click on Next. Now, you are greeted with a white editable screen. Copy the code from the link given below in the description and paste it as shown. Copy the account ID as shown. Click on Edit Arguments. Paste the account ID in the parameter field and select integer. Click on Save. Click on Save. Now let's start with the workflow process. Go back to your settings. In the Automation tab, click on Workflow Rules. Create a new workflow rule. Select Module as Accounts. And the rule name can be set according to your choice. But for now, let's put it as Contact Creation. And click on Next. Now, a dialog box appears asking us when do you want to execute this rule. Choose on a record action, then choose Create. Click on Next. The condition 1 says which account would you like to apply the rule to. Choose all accounts. Click on Next. In the Instant Actions tab, click on Functions. Click on Create New Function. Click on Functions again. Click on Configure. on the function that we created earlier as shown. Then in the values field, choose account ID and save and associate. Click on save. Now let's see how it works. Click on accounts module and create a new account. As you can see, a new section is created which states contact information. Type in the contact information as required and click on save. A contact is automatically created and which is linked to your account. So this is how to automatically create contacts via accounts module. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more updates.